How do I preview my tax return online on IRS? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you preview your tax return on IRS. The IRS partners with various tax software providers to offer free online tax preparation and filing services for the eligible taxpayers. You can use the IRS free file software to prepare and preview your tax return before filing it electronically. There are many commercial tax preparation software options available that allows you to prepare, review, and e-file your tax return. Examples include TurboTax, H&R Block, TaxAct, and others. Most of these platforms offer a preview where you can review your completed tax return before submitting it to the IRS. The IRS also offers an online platform called My Account where taxpayers can view their tax account information, including the previous tax returns. While you may not be able to directly preview your current year's tax return before filing, you can review the past returns for reference. If you're using a tax professional or accountant to prepare your taxes, they'll typically provide you with a preview of the tax return before submitting it to the IRS. It's really important to review your tax return carefully for the accuracy before submitting it to the IRS. Make sure all the information is correct and complete to avoid the potential errors or delays in the processing. Additionally, always keep a copy of your tax return for your records. For the most up-to-date information and specific instruction on previewing your tax return online in 2024, I recommend visiting the official IRS website or consulting with a tax professional. So this is basically on how can you preview your tax return online on IRS. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.